I will never go here again. Car accident there, as you can see. The track opened in 9 and bro got injured 15 minutes after. He needs to go to hospital. We are literally on a forbidden track. I'm not waiting for that. He's swearing. Tracks are fucking horrible. Horrible, man. Good morning, boys. So I just woke up like half an hour ago, packed my stuff, and I'm ready to go. To where? To the ski opening in Serbia. My friend will pick me up. We are going to the mountain. I will film you everything. When I was a kid, I skied, so I can't miss a season of skiing. So we need to go to the ski opening. Actually, the ski opening first day is free, the ski pass, and the second and the third day will be 30% off. So money has to be made. We are running some Facebook ads right now. I just took my dad's car and we got the skis. We are ready to go. The only bad thing is that I didn't pack my stuff for skiing. So I need to be quick. The friend is coming in like 20 minutes and I need to eat. Literally, I didn't eat anything from the morning. So I need to cook some eggs real quick and get the skiing gear. The eggs have been cooked. I'm so hungry, man. I didn't eat anything for like 7 hours. Crazy. Right now it is 2:35 p.m. So this is actually my parents' house. Let me show you a bit before I go. Let's go. Alright guys, I'm in the car right now. They pick me up.
Hello,
Say
brothers.
hi, brothers.
Hey.
We have a car accident there, as you can see. There are some plates of marble or
Parked the wrong way.
You cannot park there. I think we will get there in like 5 hours.
More or less 5 hours.
The actual drive to there is like hour and a half, but it will be 5 hours, man. It is marble, actually.
It is marble.
It is marble, baby. So if you're wondering where the ski is at, they're literally here. Okay, we have just arrived. Let me get my stuff. It's very beautiful out here, very fresh air. Good. Welcome. Okay, we have the bathroom here, first of all. George Jeremy took a dump here. It smells very, very good. Nothing crazy. My beautiful self. Some pillows. Okay, we have the gang here. The kitchen. Very nice. Nothing crazy. Feja.
Feja.
Nice to meet you, Feja.
Feja, what up? What up?
What up, George Jeremy? I need to show you the view. Oh, we have a terrace, bro. The snow is big. Somebody is speeding up there. What the hell? Okay. Very nice. Nothing crazy. We're going to eat something. How is the experience overall in the apartment?
So far, very good. Very good. There is snow, there is skiing, there is everything.
There's skiing. There's no people actually. So.
There's no people. Even better.
So you're ready to eat something and spend all of the money. Let me show you the outside. Okay guys, we have just arrived at the restaurant. We ordered already the alcohol. We are getting prepared for tomorrow. Voila. We are in the market right now. Look at bro. You're already looking for alcohol, man.
It's for tomorrow.
Okay, I'm going back to the apartment. Friends are in the market buying groceries. I need to go back because I have a meeting right now. I can't be late for that, so the work needs to be done.
To sam baš da vam pokažem. To svima da pokažem sad u meetingu.
Say hi.
Dana koji generiše slike, njemu možda napraviš najprostiji prompt.
Money has been made and I need to train right now, so these little guys are hanging out there and sleeping, but I'm doing my push-ups for today. Yeah, the training needs to be done. Not one day left behind without a training. We're getting ready for tomorrow. A little pump before the bed. Quick pump check, just to gain extra 10 kilos and we are good. I'm so fucking stupid. I generally forgot that toothbrush, bro. I hope this cleans my teeth. George Jeremy, I'm getting your toothbrush. Okay, very nice, black and yellow. He's swearing. It's time to sleep. It's, as you can see, 12:21. So good night. I'll see you tomorrow. Good fucking morning. We just woke up.
Good morning to no one.
Good morning to no one. It's very foggy outside. We'll go to the market and buy something to eat. I charged up my camera and we're ready to go. I think I don't have a GoPro. I will use this. I stole this from my brother. I don't know how this works at all, but we'll try it. I don't even have a holder for it, so I don't know. I don't know how will I use it. So we slept very poorly. I don't know for you, man. I slept very poorly. Like, I slept for 5 hours. They slept 8 hours. Let's go, man. Let's go, man. The open skiing, but you're still late, man.
Bro, I'm always late.
We're going without you, man. Close the door, close the door. Bye, man. Oh. So here is the ski thing. I don't know how it's called. But yeah, we will get our skis here. George Jeremy, open the closet. Wow, let's go. Oh, these are my skis. Hope they are good. So now we will get on our skis. I will be filming the ski opening right now. We are officially on the track. There's people actually skiing. There's actually a lot of people. So only 2 tracks are working right now. The whole ski resort is closed, by the way, so only 2 tracks will be available for today. So we will go now to the ski lift and I'll keep you guys updated. Have you forgotten to ski, man? George Jeremy. Baby, let's go. Hey guys, guess what happened? This brother got injured and we sat here to get some rest. Are you going to ski, man?
Nah, bro.
After this?
Nah, my leg is destroyed.
Bro, we just started. George Jeremy, how much? What's the time?
How much? What? How much?
What's the time? What's the time?
Oh, lunch.
9:55.
9:55. The track opened in 9 and bro got injured 15 minutes after.
Basically, at the first try, at the first downhill, he went off the track and he's RIP.
RIP, man.
RIP, man.
RIP in chat for Pedro.
At least it was free.
It was free, yeah. The first day, by the way, is free. So the ski opening is from the 3rd December to like 7th of December, and the 3rd of December is free. Totally.
Fourth.
So, fourth. Yeah. So we are staying for one more day, and we are heading back to our city. But why not? Why not take the chance and ski a bit if it's free, of course. Okay, we just left. Please look at the queue for the ski lift. Like, bro. I'm not waiting for that. I'm not waiting for that at all. I maybe go to that one. The queue there is a little bit better than this. It's 10:30 in the morning. A lot of people have arrived and we just had a breakfast. Got some energy in, quality food.
Look at the energy.
And the bro is injured. He will go home now, I think.
No, I will go home.
No, he will ski. He will ski. George Jeremy goes to bring him boots because he can't walk with ski boots. So I'll be here with him.
Yeah, I'm done, so bro.
This is probably the last downslope.
Yeah, I mean, this is the last run and we will go to the apartment.
We can squeeze one more.
Yeah, we can squeeze one more. Rate the skiing experience 1 to 10.
Bro, 11.
11.
11. Look at my hair, it's like 11.
For me, a solid 8 because of snow and there is not many tracks. So we'll see how it will look tomorrow. Maybe it will be better. Follow me lift, bro. I will break the elevator, man. What? Oh, fuck. Where is the patient?
Where is the patient?
Welcome to the sausage party. Good morning, boys. It's the second day of skiing. Today is the last day, by the way, so we are going a bit early because we have the checkout at 2 p.m. Right now it's 10 a.m. so we have like 4 hours of skiing, and one friend got injured, so he did not ski. He literally took a one way down and he fell and got injured, so he cannot ski unfortunately today, and he didn't ski yesterday. He needs to go to hospital, so we'll see what happens. But the other friend is with me, George Jeremy. We are going to the track. It's a bit foggy, as you can see. Not much to see or film today, but we'll see. Maybe the weather will change. Yesterday was very crowded. It was very bad because there was a lot of dirt and it was not that much of snow there on the track. So we'll see today how it looks. I think it's better because there are no people, because it's the second day you need to pay, so it's not free anymore. We needed like half an hour to go to the top and go down. Here is George Jeremy.
We go, let's go.
We go, let's go. The fog is so bad we can't see anything, bro.
Yeah.
Look at this. I can't even film the ski track. It's so foggy. I can't even see people on the track. So yeah, that's it. We are literally on a forbidden track. I don't know where we will go. As you can see, nothing special to record here. Very foggy today. Yeah, it was fun. There's no people like yesterday, but yeah, we had some fun. George?
We had the great fun, brother. Today it's better in terms of like crowd. It's less crowdy, but in terms of snow it's even worse. And the weather, as you can see, everything is wet.
Yeah, we are literally soaking wet,
dripping
wet, man.
dripping wet, if you know what I mean.
Yeah. Yesterday we were literally dry after skiing. Like we skied for like 5 to 6 hours, maybe 5 hours.
5 hours, yeah.
Yeah, and we were completely dry. Now soaking wet.
Soaking wet.
Crazy.
But today is better skiing, like.
Yeah, in terms of people.
Yeah.
But the tracks are fucking
Horrible.
horrible, man.
We have to come one more time.
Yeah, we need to go when it's like 2 meters of snow, man.
2 meters.
The tracks we're skiing on, they're not even the highest. The highest is closed right now because there's no snow, of course. So
no,
yeah.
There is no, but they didn't like maintain it. You know, they didn't create the track and all that. It's too snowy.
Yeah.
It's not. You're not able to ski.
Yeah.
But like here, it's also like not the best. You have a lot of like, what is this called?
Dirt.
The mud, the dirt. and all that.
Mud, yeah. Okay, we are ready to go. We packed our stuff and bro is struggling to walk because of the injury. I'll help him go down the stairs and that's it. Alright boys, I came home from the skiing. We've been there for 2 days. Overall experience 7 to 8 out of 10. Unfortunately, the one friend got injured and he couldn't ski with us, but we managed to have fun without him. When it comes to prices, it's actually very expensive. The ski pass, okay, although it was like 30% off, it is like 55 euros per day. Only the day skiing, not with the night included. So the apartment was okay. It was like 150 euros. It was us 3 in the apartment for like 2 days. So it was 50 euros per person. The food is actually really expensive. The burgers we ate were like 15 to 20 euros. And the drinks are also like 5-6 euros. And especially on the track. On the track, the drinks are like actually 2x and they're like 10 euros, 9 euros. It depends. It is actually more expensive than in Austria, for example, or Switzerland, because, I don't know, it's a small place. It's not that big of a ski center, so I think it is very crowded, so they need to bring the prices up. The next vlog will be crazy, because I'm flying to another country with my girl, and you will see what will happen there. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good, man. It's actually on the New Year, Christmas and stuff, so I'm flying to another country. You will see where. I will be also filming a vlog there. My life is like 90% work and 10% fun. Why I work 90% of the time? Because I want to grind to get everything I ever wanted. So you can have the best vlogs in the world, of course. See you soon. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.